I'm gonna do a quick video. About 4 years ago, I made a video. My son accidentally put some diesel gas in his Infiniti. This is a G37X. And he accidentally put about a gallon or maybe 2 gallons in here. So what I did was we went on and diluted it and filled it up with regular gas, and we didn't do anything else. And it's been about 4 years now, and this vehicle is still running good. Didn't have no problem, did not miss a beat. The only thing we had to do was this vehicle after the 4 years, about a year and a half ago, we had to get some new tires. Other than that, the engine did not skip a beat, and it passed all the inspection. As you can see, it got the latest inspection right there. So we had no problem.